Hi, this is Sam with Ring.io. I'm going to explain how to install the Ring.io web phone extension to Microsoft Edge. To get started, launch your browser and type Chrome Web Store into the address bar. To find our extension in the web store, type Ring.io. The Ring.io web phone should be the first result. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension when prompted. The Ring.io web phone has now been installed. To pin the web phone to the toolbar for easy access, click the puzzle icon in the toolbar, click the three dots, click Show in Toolbar. If you need assistance with this, please contact the Ring.io support team. Thank you for watching.